Hey friends, on today's quick Apple numbers tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add checkboxes to your spreadsheets. I've got a really simple spreadsheet here. We want to add some checkboxes that you can either check or uncheck over here in this column. So what we're going to do, again, select the cell that you want to use. And then if it's not already displayed, make sure you come over here, hit this little paintbrush icon. That is going to bring up all of our formatting. And then you're going to want to be on the cell tab, this one right here. And then we're looking for data format, the very first option. We're going to click on this little arrow icon to get a drop-down menu. And we're going to go down here and we're going to click on checkbox. Now, as you can see, it auto-filled in just a little default checkbox right here that I can now come over here and click or click off of. It literally is that simple. Now, what's really nice is we do have a couple of additional formatting things that we can use, some conditional highlighting, those kind of things. But again, that is going to be the most simple way just to add your straight run-of-the-mill checkbox. I hope that has helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, stay tuned, because we are making a bunch more Apple numbers tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.